Everybody, welcome back. So today's video is going to be something a little bit different. We're going to be taking a ride on the Road King. This is a 2020 Road King. It's a touring bike. You can see I've put some add-ons to it and everything like that. And I'm using a new camera today. This is an Insta 360 camera, and it films in all different directions. And there's some really cool software where I can do all these crazy things. But I'm also going to be using this camera mainly for the woodworking stuff. So I thought it would be a good idea to try it out and test the software and how I, can figure out how to do the editing and all that stuff on the bike. So we're going to do a motovlog today. We're going to take my youngest son out on the Road King with us because he loves riding on the motorcycle with me. And we're going to go out and film different areas, and we're going to do a whole lot of the drone shots and 360 views and all that cool stuff, and some editing with there's a tiny planet feature. I'm going to be doing that. That's all cool. So I have a mount set up. Now, at the time that I filmed this, I did not have this. You can see I have a little lapel mic on. When I filmed this, I didn't have this yet. So I'm trying this out as well now, talking to you. But for the purposes of the motovlog, I had it mounted on the handlebars. I tried to get it as much behind the windshield as possible for the external mic on the camera to block that wind. I don't know how well that really came out. I may have to, tone that down a little bit when I do the final editing to kill that wind noise a little bit. So now that I have this, I can actually, I bought a new mount to put on the rear saddlebag guard, and that's gonna allow me to take different shots, but also to run this lapel mic into the back of the seat, which will pick up the ambient sound but block the wind noise at the same time. All right, so let's get out there on the bike and let's check it out. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy the ride. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit the like button. Leave some cool comments and stuff like that. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. We have a new woodworking project to start. I'm going to be using a lot of different techniques, and I'm going to be making some tip videos and things like that, so stay tuned. That's going to be real cool. All right, guys, I'll catch you after the ride.